Hi, I'm going to talk about Edpuzzle. This is a website that can be used to create flipped lessons or more interactive videos when students are either in person or at home. And my audience for this will be teachers for the most part, how to use it and get your kids kind of more interactive with some video lessons that you might have for them. So I think it's an awesome tool, just it helps keep kids engaged. And say if you do ever, after COVID, teach kids at home, you can send these videos to them, and to make sure that they actually did watch the video, they have questions throughout it that let you know if they answered it or not, and it just shows you if they're actually doing their homework or not. So it's a good tool just to keep your students accountable on what they're supposed to be doing. So when just kind of looking through it, you're going to have to make an account whenever you do want to use Edpuzzle. Your school might have a grant through them or have bought their product, so you might get the upgraded version, but I just have the regular version. And so I'm just going to go through some of the tabs over here. So the curriculum tab is nice. If you go down here, if you're an elementary school teacher, middle school, or high school teacher, you can pick which one you are. I'm going to go high school because I am a high school teacher. It goes through, it has all the different classes that kids will have, and I'm a PE teacher, so I'll click on there. We'll click on physical education. We'll go through the different units that you might have, and say that week you are going over the FIT principle. You can click on that, say you watched this video, you really liked it, and then all the raindrops are the different questions they have in that video. So over here it has a open-ended questions, and you can edit any of these questions as you please, and you can add questions. You could do a voiceover if you don't like the voice of the video on there, but you like the background, you can just do a voiceover of that. But it's nice. If you want to add your open-ended questions, just click open-ended, type in what you want, push save, and it'll throw it into that video. And then at the end, it'll send you a notification telling you if those kids got either the answers right or wrong, or if they even completed those questions at all. If we go back here, my content show, it just has the videos that I use frequently. Say you want to use your own videos, you can go to add content, create a video, upload a video, or student project, and you can add your own open-ended questions or questions throughout that video as you please. And then if you go down here, you can type in anything you want, and it'll pop up a YouTube video of it. A lot of the YouTube videos already have Edpuzzles made out of them with questions, which is really nice. And they literally have almost every topic you can think of. So it's just a really good tool that I like to use if I want to use a video as my talking piece for my students, and to make sure that they actually do follow along with it. There's a couple questions in there just to make sure they follow along. So yeah.